Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gas-powered wood splitters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Log Splitter Build Kit by Theorsme. This budget-friendly option is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or those looking to upgrade their existing log splitter. With a 13 GPM hydraulic pump capable of reaching a maximum pressure of 4,000 psi, this kit delivers powerful performance while remaining energy efficient. The two-stage pump ensures high flow rates for quick wood splitting, making it ideal for smaller engines with 4 to 7 horsepower. In terms of design, the Theorsme Build Kit includes everything you need for a seamless setup: the pump itself, a mounting base, jaw coupler assembly, bolts, and a rubber spider. The compatibility is impressive, fitting most gas engines with a 3/4-inch crankshaft and offering direct replacements for popular brands like Husky and Speco. However, the aluminum construction makes it lighter but less robust than steel alternatives. Performance-wise, this kit excels in log splitting for personal use, especially for users with DIY projects. The noise level is below 75 dB, which is a bonus for anyone working in residential areas. However, it's not a standalone splitter. You'll need additional components or an existing setup to make it operational. If you're on a tight budget and don't mind a bit of assembly, this kit offers excellent value for money. Pros include affordability, compatibility, and energy efficiency, while cons include its limited durability and reliance on external components. Coming in at number 4 is the Vaver Hydraulic Wood Log Splitter Pump Kit. This mid-range option is designed to deliver exceptional performance, with a high-speed motor reaching up to 3,600 RPM and a maximum operating pressure of 4,000 psi. With a flow rate of 22 gallons per minute, this pump kit is perfect for tackling tough logs efficiently, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty DIY projects or small commercial applications. The Vaver pump kit includes a hydraulic directional control valve, coupling, mounting base, and installation hardware, offering a complete setup for log splitting tasks. The aluminum construction is lightweight yet sturdy, and it promises reliable sealing to prevent leaks during operation. One standout feature is its low noise level, operating at under 75 decibel, which ensures a quieter work environment compared to other hydraulic models. In terms of performance, this pump kit handles a variety of applications beyond log splitting, such as powering presses and snowplow hydraulic systems. However, it's still best suited for users who already have a compatible engine or splitter setup. While it provides great versatility and power, its aluminum build may not be as durable as steel alternatives. Pros include high flow rate, multi-purpose use, and low noise operation, while cons are its limited standalone capabilities and slightly higher price point compared to the Theorsme kit. At number 3, we have the Champion Power Equipment 8-ton Compact Horizontal Gas Log Splitter. This heavy-duty log splitter stands out with its 79cc gas-powered engine, delivering a cycle time of just 20 seconds and up to 180 cycles per hour. The auto-return valve and skewed wedge design improve splitting efficiency, making it a reliable option for processing large quantities of firewood quickly. The low-profile design makes loading heavier logs a breeze, while the integrated log cradle keeps them securely in place during operation. The build quality is excellent, with durable components designed for frequent use. Combined with its compact size and never-flat tires, this splitter is easy to store and transport, making it suitable for both residential and light commercial use. Performance-wise, this gas-powered model is a workhorse, capable of handling tough hardwoods with ease. While the price is not disclosed, Champion's reputation for quality and durability makes it worth considering for users who need a reliable, high-capacity splitter. Pros include fast cycle times, sturdy construction, and portability. while cons might include the lack of price transparency and gas-powered maintenance requirements. At number 2 is the Wen electric log splitter, a 6.5-ton capacity model equipped with a powerful 15A motor that delivers over 13,000 pounds of log cracking pressure. This electric splitter is perfect for users who want a clean, eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered models. It can split logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches in length, making it versatile for most household needs. The design includes a portable stand that can be removed if you prefer a lower working height. With 5.5-inch never-flat wheels and a pull handle, this splitter is easy to transport between jobs. The electric motor eliminates the need for gasoline, reducing maintenance and emissions, an excellent feature for environmentally conscious users. At 118.7 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for its category, though it's still robust enough to handle demanding tasks. In terms of user experience, the Wen splitter is straightforward to use and offers reliable performance for residential wood splitting. However, it lacks the power and speed of larger gas-powered models, making it better suited for occasional use. Pros include eco-friendly operation, portability, and solid build quality, while cons are its slower cycle times and limited capacity for larger logs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.